So we're going to do a school flyer today. So I'm going to search for school flyer. And I'm going to use this template. I'm going to change it to school supply drive. I was almost finished. And I'm going to make this text about 40 and see if it fits on one line. 24 maybe. Okay, so I can pull it up and then I'll make it a little bit bigger. 36. Get rid of that. Stay on page. I just want to get rid of that document. Page. Mott Haven Community High School. I like this font here. Presents. PRD. Presents. Make that bigger. A little bit bigger here. Bring it down. Bring this up, maybe. I just grouped them. Did Command, you can do Control G on a PC or Command G on a Mac. So I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to upload an image for school supplies. So let's see. I'm looking to see. There's one and there's one. So we're going to open that one. I'm just going to drop it on there. I'll make this side of my page white. And I'll make this side of my page, maybe the school color. Let me pick a blue, or this blue is too dark. I don't know, it might work. Keep that on that side. Okay, so here's our picture of our supplies. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. And collection dates, I'm gonna put here. These are the dates you can drop off stuff. So the dates will be July 1st to July 30th, 2020. Supplies needed will be pens, pencils, notebooks, graph paper, calculators, staplers and staples, color pencils, etc. Book bags, I think, backpacks. Contact us at, and I'm gonna put my own picture here. I'm gonna upload another image. I'm gonna do an image of a blackboard. But you pick whatever images you want to pick, and I'm gonna drop that here. And I'm going to make that smaller. And I can rotate it a little bit if I want it on an angle. I'm going to change this to, donation is greatly appreciated. And I'm going to get rid of that. See on this page. So I'm going to get rid of that. make these white or a brighter color because they're too dark. You're going to make that italic. You're going to put in the contact information, 718 123 4567. Contact us at Mott Haven Community High School online.com, and the website will be the same, Mott Haven Community High School online.com. And that's pretty much all you have to do. You're going to take a flyer and change it. I could have made this smaller. I didn't even have to keep it. I kept it, but it didn't have to stay. And this one I could delete altogether. Get rid of that one, delete. And there you have it. You have a school supply drive. I could have made this bigger. Maybe rotated it back. Put it over here. And that's what you're expected to do for the school supply drive assignment.